Howdy, this is Lemmy with Dorman Products, here to talk to you today about our OE FIX transmission shift cable repair kit for Toyota and Lexus vehicles. You probably know Dorman for our transmission shift cable bushing repair kits. They're a staple item that have been saving mechanics and customers time and money for years. Normally, the bushings wear and need replacing. In the case of many Toyota and Lexus vehicles, however, the eyelet on the end of the cable fails by detaching from the cable end itself, and you're left with some jagged plastic. Repair options until now were really limited to just complete cable replacement. We ripped one apart to find a better way of repairing these things. Here, take a peek. This shaft is the section the plastic cable end attaches to. We've built a threaded steel insert that holds this end captive without removing the cable, saving time. And of course, it's metal. You're not likely to need another for the life of the vehicle. Installation's a snap. You're gonna remove the broken portion of the eyelet. Just a heavy pair of pliers, usually about all it takes to crush the plastic end and free this sort of steel cable end. After that, you'll slide the ferrule onto the cable end and then lay the cable end into the new metal eyelet. Sandwich that cable end with the threaded insert, then snug up the ferrule and you're finished. Reattach the cable and you're off to the races. Simple, it's easy, it saves time and money. Thanks to the metal construction, you can pretty much forget about doing this job ever again. What's not to love? We hope you like this new solution. Remember, if you need anything at all, the Dorman technical support team is always handy to help. Thanks for checking out our video on this OE FIX shift cable repair kit. I'm Lem, and I'm out of here.